Namaste. In this audio, I will take you through a very simple breathing technique that you can use at any time to harness anxiety, help you cope with stressful situations, and promote better sleep. If you have depression, then it's recommended that you refrain from practicing this until bedtime. If at any point you feel lightheaded, please stop and resume normal breathing. This form of breath control, or pranayama, is sometimes referred to as the 7-Eleven breath. There are so many benefits to the 7-Eleven breath, and you can literally do it at any point during your day, and no one will really notice. The goal of this breath is to lengthen your exhalation as much as possible. Exhaling longer than you inhale will kick your parasympathetic nervous system or your relaxation response into gear. So let's begin. Begin by sitting upright or lying down in a comfortable position. We'll count our breath, beginning with the inhale for a count of 5, then we'll exhale for a count of 10, using my counting to guide you if needed. We'll do this 3 times in a row. First, exhale completely. Empty your lungs of all the air. Now, when you're ready, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll deepen this breath by lengthening the inhalation to 7 and the exhalation to 11. We'll practice this 4 times in a row. Begin by exhaling completely. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One more time if you're able. Inhale, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let go of the counting and resume normal breathing. Be still and notice how you feel. To make the most of the 7-Eleven breath, practice it every day, especially at bedtime. Use this breath as a vehicle to get you through moments of stress or anxiety or sleeplessness. According to the philosophy of yoga, every time you practice pranayama, you are aiding your overall physical and mental health, and you're invigorating your life force energy. Essentially, it makes you feel more alive. As always, please send me a message or leave a comment if you have any questions about this practice. Namaste.